Malta on Christmas Eve in the La Meridian Hotel. We certainly wouldn't be doing this standing on the balcony if we were back in line. There's some beautiful old architecture looking over the bay in St. Julian's. We've got palm trees, we've got lovely tiny Christmas trees, we've got beautiful churches, and we have beautiful blue water. What a great place to spend Christmas.
It's 24th of December. I'm actually on my own in Valetta. Detta's at the hotel. I just thought I'd take you around the Piazza Indipendenza in Valencia. I'll just let you have a look around. By the way, first of all, we have a very British style post box. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now and just pan around. This must be one of the world's quietest capital cities. Anyway, over there in the distance is a tower block, which is actually almost next to where I'm staying, or we're staying, in St. Julian's.
On New Year's Day, the first day of 2008, in Malta, in Salima, looking out over the bay with Mandel Island in our background. Mandel Island used to be an isolation zone, but I believe now it's a yacht yard instead.
L'orca, il Simbad, il Cristoforo Columbus, i gladiatori e la Helena di Troia. Indeed, we are just about to start going down the last smallest street within this harbour, street number 10. Here, we have the international studio facilities, where as much as we have enjoyed showing them to you. On behalf of Justin, our captain, on behalf of Cruises, our mother company, I therefore would like to thank you once again.